Let's go. One more carp, one more carp, one more carp. All right. What is up, adept anglers? Today we are here, quest number 7 for a mirror carp. Out here with my boy Shane Singletary.
What up, everyone?
We're going to be doing some crappie fishing. How you feel about that, sir?
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully, you know, get a few.
I'm sure Shane's always hoping for bass, but crappie is the closest thing this evening.
I'm always secretly fishing for a bass, no matter what species I'm fishing for. I can't lie, I'm always hoping for a bass. But yeah, we're crappie fishing, absolutely, yes.
But yeah, just good vibes out here this evening. Both out here after work hustle, trying to get that mirror carp. Also, in between getting those crappie, it's February and it's 37 degrees, brother.
Yeah, it feels like 47. It feels good, I don't know.
It's a warm, beautiful evening, and we're out here trying to fulfill that quest, number 7, mirror carp. Also, in between, get those crappie. Chicago River, you know how we roll. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not litter, guys. Make sure to be considerate of your environment. Take what you bring with you back home. Please subscribe. Please hit that like button and stay tuned for an epic adventure. There it is. Perfecto. We just baited out there. Now we are out here a February evening with intentions of catching some carp. Yeah, that's right. Shane and I are out here with intentions of catching carp. So let's see how it works out for us.
So you sure there's enough room for us to both carp fish here?
Yes,
Not gonna be
positive.
either way to it?
Positive. Me and Jimmy did it forever.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh, he's a nice one, boy.
Yeah, the deeper you go, it seems like the bigger ones are the deeper in there today, which was the opposite last time. That's a nice, healthy, clean fish. No hook marks other than the one I just did right there. It's beautiful. Going in for the release. There's one.
Bass? Oh, crappie. Crappie.
Well, the crappie are definitely here, as usual.
Is that a white crappie or?
No, black crappie. Well, if it was a white crappie, I would scream like a little schoolgirl.
Take your time, young man. Take your time.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Take your time, young man. Get closer. Come over here.
There we go. I'm in there. It's a good one. It's a good one.
There the boy. There the boy. Oh, yeah, yeah. Nice one, George. Oh, look at the spots.
Oh, he engulfed it too. Look at that, guys.
Yeah. He's nice.
You got a jig in there.
Yeah, boy.
It's always good when that happens. February, January, March, April, it doesn't matter. Chicago River crappie. Let's go. Going in for the release. Beautiful February black crappie, Chicago River. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm more than okay. Got a big old carp on. Yes, sir. Ooh, he's going wild out there. There we are, guys. Ooh, this he's heavy and he's, jeez. Ooh, look at this guy. Wow. He's not playing.
Hold on. Keep him in there for a second. Hold on.
Why? What's up? What are you doing? What do I need to keep him in there for? Nuts. No, I can't. No.
What do you mean you can't?
Like, not with that, bro. No.
What do you mean? That's what it's for.
No. Not for a carp, man.
Yeah, it is.
No.
Yes.
No, Shane. You have no idea how much shit I would get.
What are you talking?
Obviously.
Everybody uses
No,
this.
Shane, just trust me on this one, please. I cannot use that for a carp, bro.
I've seen so many people use this for carp. Fish grabbing tool, dude.
No, I know what that. I know what that is.
Advertises it with the carp.
Dude, trust me, I know.
Okay.
Do they really?
Yeah, dude. You clearly didn't look at the.
That is so ignorant. They advertise with a carp, not a redfish?
Dude. Yeah.
Wow. That's
It's
crazy.
a fish grabbing tool, dude. You use it to grab fish with. You don't even need a net.
Let me see that thing.
No.
No, let me see the boat.
Use your net.
No, I'm not gonna. I was just gonna.
Use your net, dude.
All right. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not using your. What do you call that thing? For a bass, I would.
Go ahead, no, do your thing.
No, I mean, like, can you take it out so I could show
No,
them?
I don't have it anymore. It's gone.
Oh, come on.
I don't want you to get in trouble or nothing.
All right, guys. Well,
He's big.
yeah, he is a nice carp.
He's about 14,
He's a
15?
no, he's like probably.
12?
I'd give him like. Will you have the weight?
I don't have it.
All right, so man, actually feels really cold. The temperature today, guys, is about 35 degrees, which is pretty mild out here for us in the winter time. Here we are, guys. Beautiful fish. We're out here with my guy Shane Singletary, and we came out after work. Quest for a mirror carp, number 7. We're trying to fit it in tonight, another evening outing. We're doing a bunch of crappie fishing in between. Caught this beautiful fish, but this is not a mirror carp, this is a common carp. We are seeking a majestic and very rare mirror carp in public waters, wild fish, United States, Chicago, Illinois. This is not a mirror carp, going in for the release. Beautiful fish.
Nice job, dude.
Yes, sir.
Nice catch, bro.
I reckon.
It's a Rippn. I don't know, should I have my light on?
It's up to you, tater salad.
Tater.
Right, so I thought I had a fish, but apparently his ass just tooted. So we're gonna put up the carp stuff. Quest for a mirror carp number 7. Shane and I, we were putting up the carp stuff. Luckily, I was able and very grateful to catch a carp today. Mirror carp in quest number 7. Did not happen. We only got a common carp today, but right now Shane and I are gonna follow the buffalo trail. And that should lead us right to our location. a little breezy, a little windy. Look at that, guys. We just walked up. Shane Singletary's got one on. We're just finishing up our evening over here with some crappie. Carp quest number 7. Shane Singletary has accompanied me this evening. I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, no
It's been a beautiful evening.
Appreciate it. Thanks for getting me out. There you go.
And he's doing what he does, catching black crappie. There's one. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a goodie. That's a goodie right there. Oh, boy. Woo! Look at that.
Wow.
It's a beautiful, beautiful fish. Man, it's been, especially today, bro, it's been a while. That's it. Oh, yeah. He's definitely been caught before. Ah, look at that beautiful fish, guys. Definitely been caught before. Just a tribute to catch and release fishing. I mean, you cannot catch a beast unless you're catching and releasing. Look at that double right here, guys. Oh, what is that? A rock bass. Look at this, guys. Got a rock bass. Rock bass. Black crappie, Chicago River. We're just finishing out the evening here. We're both using the same thing, yeah? Oh no. So I got the little spinner on the bottom.
I don't have a spinner.
Yeah, but we're using the same Gulp power bait plastic. Beautiful fish, guys. Look at that. Black crappie, rock bass. Beautiful evening, Chicago River. Not bad for a February evening, huh, brother?
No, not bad at all. Yeah. That's a nice crappie right there, man.
Yes, sir.
Nice size, man.
All right, going in for the release.
Oh, nice crappie, dude.
Release the beast. Let's maintain the successful fishery. Wow, guys, look at that. Talk about engulfed. So you wrap, I'm not gonna bring my tool out. I'm just gonna wrap my fingers, get it all tense, and then I'm gonna use my middle finger to push down and out. You heard that pop, and that's how you get that jig out when you don't have those pliers. I've done it for years. Beautiful fish going in for the release. Ah, snow flurries, beautiful February day. Please don't litter, please catch and release. Respect your surroundings. Ooh, that wind's picking up. I could barely speak. Going in for the release. Go fast and slow it right at the channel. Just drop it. Oh, there it is. Yep. What did I, bro? I called that one, Shane. Dude, I pulled it over the tree. I dropped it right over the channel and freaking popped it. Oh wow, look at that, dude. Another engulf.
Ooh,
Just, yeah. They're, if this is any indicator, they're shooting to kill today, guys. They are shooting to kill today. Oh, yep, there's another double, guys. Look at that. That is great. Check this. Ooh. I mean, guys, in fact, this is gonna send us out. Another beautiful double here, Chicago River. Quest for a mirror carp, number 7. We did not get a mirror carp, but stacked with the crappies, which always seems to be the case when we're by this guy, doesn't it? It's pretty weird.
They seem to be expecting me every time we show up. You know? Hey, we've been expecting you. Hey.
But another snow flurry filled evening. We're here in February. Quest for a mirror carp, number 7. No mirror carp. Just one common carp, and then we got all the crappie in between. Had my boy accompany me this evening. We had a great evening. A nice mild evening in February. 36, hovering between 32 to 36 degrees this evening, which is very mild for, I mean, you may as well call that springtime for Chicago, no?
True.
But yeah, it's gonna send us out, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, snag that like button, and we'll see you guys next time with another geofishing and Shane exclusive.
Peace.
They're stacked over there. Yes, sir. Beautiful February evening. These snow flares are coming down pretty good right now. Well, actually I should say beautiful February morning at this point. Going in for the release. Here, guys. That is, as Shane will call, what do you call that? Crappie keychain?
Yeah,
Keychain, little keychain. Real nice luck.
Definitely got colder.
That's how Shane likes to keep warm. What's up, dude?
No way!
Really?
Yeah!
Awesome.
I've seen all your videos.
Bro, I appreciate that. That's awesome.
Trying to catch a mirror carp, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to catch one right now, actually.
Have you caught one? You haven't caught one yet,
No,
right?
not even close one. That's awesome that you even recognize me, dude.
Oh my god, bro, you're like my hero. I went to school at Northside College Prep. Watching that video, I was like, what?
It is a small world, right?
He's right
dude, that's
there.
so crazy.
I
What's your
watched-
name?
Langston.
Langston, dude.
Langston Carruthers.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Do you fish?
Of course I fish.
We gotta fish sometime, bro.
Yeah, no, bro, this is so cool. I remember I was watching your videos and you're talking about you're like a hero. Like,
Yeah, sight
that's some
fishing.
real confidence. You know
Oh
what I mean?
yeah. I had a lot of heartbreak before the confidence, though. You learn every fish, every outing.
Last night I watched your video.
Oh
It's a confidence boost. With you doing all this, man, it's such a confidence boost for me. I want to catch one.
Can I give you a hug? This
Oh
is
yeah,
crazy.
bro. Yeah.
GeoFishing, no way.
I appreciate that, bro. Big
It's so
time.
wild to see your face.